Alrighty folks, I want you to check out this beautiful boulder wall. I told you within less than a matter of several hours we were going to be able to install this beautiful boulder wall for the customer. All of our friends right over there at Brooks Landscaping University. We want you to know that this was a project that we want you to know all about as well. So if you watched our earlier video, you've seen where we came in with this beautiful boulder wall. We had to excavate the landscape, and then more importantly we put a filter fabric behind each one of these boulders, and then we've installed them in a uniform manner in order to make sure that they look absolutely amazing. And so if you begin to look at this is the best way to take a landscape and truly enhance it. Anytime you can work with Mother Nature and use the natural stone to begin to create your landscape design, you're really going to be able to truly enhance anything that you do. And so if you got any questions or comments, we want you to make sure you subscribe to this channel. We got a ton of videos we're going to be posting of jobs that we do in the field, and we're going to be helping you understand how we did it. So the first video you seen, we excavated this area out, made sure that we were able to get these boulders in level, and then after doing so we backfilled this area after first putting in our fabric, and that fabric being necessary in order to keep that dirt, any of that erosion from coming through. But then also we went with the proper plants. We went with perennials right around the rock, and that just give it a nice architecture to the landscape. But it's also going to be able to suck up that water. We're still on the hillside, folks, so erosion is a matter that we will have to address. But the way we've done that is by also adding this beautiful shrubbery, and then also including a landscape design that truly enhances and also solves a big problem. And so I just wanted you to see this beautiful boulder wall. This is how you install a boulder wall. You first start by excavating the landscape out, and then you make sure that you keep your boulders as level as possible, sometimes adding dirt where necessary, but mainly making sure that it is uniform and that it is having that contour going all the way around. That's what we did today for this customer. We're going to be adding in that pine straw. We're going to be putting these shrubs in. We're going to be putting the daylilies in. But as you can see, folks, it won't be long before we're wrapping this project up, and it only took us about 3 hours. So we want to make sure that you understand at Brooks Landscaping University, you're going to be able to learn how to do these exact same things, but more importantly, you're going to know how to begin to work with your customers so that you can offer up a lot more services than that of what you probably are currently providing. That's what we teach you here at Brooks Landscaping University, exactly how to create an opportunity for yourself to be successful in the field, and this is one of the ways which we do it. This project started out with us just putting in shrubs. We were in the field and we were able to offer up an upsell to the customer by being able to allow them to know that this was something that we do. They went along with it. I tell you, it was absolutely amazing when you can paint a picture for a customer and then make it become a reality. That's what happens when you begin to use these natural boulders, and that's what happened with this landscape. That's what we want you guys to begin to utilize on your landscapes that you work for your customers. Maybe you're a lawn care professional. Here's an opportunity for you to begin to learn some ways in which you can help your customer deal with their landscape erosion, add to the landscape appeal, but most importantly, put more money in your pocket. And I tell you, it's going to save you even more time too, because the amount of money that you can make for a job like this that has only taken us 4 hours, folks, says that it's unparalleled to any amount of jobs that you could do when it comes to cutting grass. And it's not like any cleanup. And so when you start to understand the magnitude of what you get with this Brooks Landscaping University package, it says that we're going to teach you how to do this step by step. So I want you to continue to tune in, but I did want to show you where we were at within less than 4 hours. We've installed these beautiful boulders to help the customer, and more importantly, put this landscape in a position going down the road so that we never ever have to address this issue again. And that's just what we do here, and that's what we want to teach you how to do. So if you're on Facebook, just type in Brooks Landscaping right there at your Facebook watch section. It's going to be right beside the marketplace logo or icon. Type in Brooks Landscaping. You're going to see over 1,500 videos. And then I also want you to subscribe to our channel, because we're going to give you filtered exclusive access to all of our jobs before and after, so that you can learn a lot of the ways in which you can begin to deal with your customers' landscape. So once again, my name is Greg Brooks, Brooks Landscaping University, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.